Let us now look at the past accidents related to conveyor belts and also alert people about this. आइए अब हम कन्वेयर बेल्ट से संबंधित पिछली दुर्घटनाओं को देखते हैं और साथ ही लोगों को इस बारे में सचेत करेंगे।
Usually an accident happens when it is least expected, injuring someone who least expects it, like this workman, for instance. With the belt running, Mike was cleaning up around the belt line when he noticed that a roller was sticking. He tried to correct the situation using a screwdriver. Guarded area, and bright painted signs should be posted where needed. Guarded crossovers are usually provided at points where it is necessary to cross over moving belts, but workmen don't always use them. In addition, a belt control line by which stop switches can be activated should be provided along the entire length of the belt. When workmen decide to take a shortcut over a moving belt rather than walk to a crossover, they invite trouble. His buddy hurries to pull the stop line, but it's too late. Crossovers be used. Here is another conveyor belt accident. The foreman instructed Tom, a conveyor man, to clean up the spillage around the drive motor and mechanism at the drive pulley. Tom noticed some spillage inside the guarded area, so he attempted to reach inside the guardrails with his shovel. "84% of conveyor belt accidents occur during cleanup operations. In order to reduce accidents of this type, much care and forethought are required. 3 conveyor men were repairing a splice on the tailings loadout belt. The belt on which repairs were being made was 18 feet above the ground. 2 of the men were on the belt. The other was on the walkway alongside the belt. A small refuse belt line was in operation, but it became necessary to stop it when a chute feeding into it became plugged. After the chute was cleaned, an employee, unfamiliar with the conveyor system, was sent to start the refuse belt. He mistakenly started the main belt line instead. One workman was safe, but the others suffered severe multiple injuries. Accidental starting of machinery under repair can be prevented by providing maintenance men with safety locks to lock out control switches. This procedure should be strictly enforced. He was seen doing this cleanup work shortly after he arrived, using a long bar with a steel plate attached to one end. When he observed built-up material on the tail pulley, he used the bar to clean around it. The bar became entangled. He stumbled and fell and was pulled into the space between the tail pulleys and shaft ends. A common source of conveyor belt fires is heat developed from electrical defects in the driving mechanism, which is transmitted to the belt. Also, heat from friction can develop at drive or tail pulleys and at frozen trough or return idlers. Once started, a fire involving a flammable belt usually spreads rapidly. The combustion produces high temperature and dense, highly toxic smoke. To combat conveyor belt fires, workmen should be trained in firefighting and the use of proper fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers should be maintained in good working condition and should be available at convenient locations. Friction.
No work should be done on the return side of the running conveyor belt. Running conveyor belt के return side में भी कोई कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए. Attention! Cleaning activities should never be done in a running conveyor belt. Running conveyor belt में कभी भी cleaning activity नहीं करना चाहिए. Do not work on a running conveyor belt. Running conveyor belt पर कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए. Observe hot spots in the running conveyor belt. And if there is any friction while the belt is moving, check it immediately. Clean the fine dust on a regular basis. रनिंग कन्वेयर बेल्ट में हॉट स्पॉट को ऑब्जर्व करें और बेल्ट चलते समय कोई घर्षण हो रहा हो तो तुरंत चेक करें. फाइन डस्ट को रेगुलर बेसिस पर साफ करें. डू यू नो व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स अकरिंग एट विच लोकेशंस इन द कन्वेयर? लेट अस नो इट्स स्टैटिक्स. According to the information received, 48% accidents occur due to getting stuck in rollers, 13% due to getting stuck in idlers and 13% in other locations and 7% in drive mechanism. क्या आप जानते हैं कन्वेयर में किस लोकेशन एक्सीडेंट होने की कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी है? आइए हम इसका स्टैटिक्स जानते हैं. मिली जानकारी के अनुसार रोलर्स में फंसने के कारण 48%, इडलर्स में फंसने के कारण 13% और अदर लोकेशन में 13% तथा ड्राइव मैकेनिज्म में 7% एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं. It is very important for us to know what is the frequency of accidents in which conveyor works. Let us know its statics. According to the information received, 24% due to getting stuck in rollers and dealer cleaning, 20% due to other maintenance work in running conveyor and 11% due to other normal work near the conveyor, 0.9% in removing nip point goods, under or around. There are 7% accidents in conveyor cleaning work and about 4% accidents in belt alignment. Therefore, we should pay special attention while doing these works. And work should not be done without supervision, isolation, and permission. हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि कन्वेयर ने किस कार्य में एक्सीडेंट होने की कितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी है. आइए हम इसका स्टैटिक्स जानते हैं. मिली जानकारी के अनुसार रोलर्स तथा डलर क्लीनिंग में फंसने के कारण 24%, अदर मेंटेनेंस कार्य रनिंग कन्वेयर में करने के कारण 20% और अदर नॉर्मल कार्य कन्वेयर के पास करने में 11%, निप पॉइंट सामान को निकालने में 0.9%, अंडर और अराउंड कन्वेयर क्लीनिंग काम में 7% तथा बेल्ट अलाइनमेंट में लगभग 4% एक्सीडेंट होते हैं. अतः इन कार्य को करते समय हमें विशेष ध्यान देना चाहिए तथा बिना सुपरविजन, आइसोलेशन तथा अनुमति के कार्य को नहीं करना चाहिए.